Gracie. Hey, Gracie, guess what? How's Gracie girl? Lots of snow out there. My beagle sniffing for critters, rabbits. Right, Grace? Checking things out. Wow, look at that snow. Whew. It's a lot of snow. Look at that roof. Got to be over 24 inches. Damn. There's Gracie. Come on, Gracie. Comes my beagle. Coming up the ramp. She can barely make it. Come here, Grace. Gracie, come on.